Wagwan, my tenement yard people, let's discuss the whole musical battle amongst Vybz Kartel, Masicka, and Tommy Lee, and also Sean Storm. Now, Sean Storm, of course, drop a banger where everybody make memes with, TikTok dance to itch, scratch, sniff, ratch. Not sure what he's saying, but kudos to him, but the trend has been buzzing. But let's talk about the battle, right? Now, we all know Vybz Kartel is the biggest musical giant in dancehall, and everyone had crowned him as, the king of dancehall. He has proven himself so many times. So it's not up for debate, who Kartel is at this point. Him done have the crown already, right? What started this musical battle? Why did Masicka chose to, throw a lot of jabs here and there? For one, I do think because after Vybz Kartel, came out of prison, he needed to reclaim that crown. He needed to ensure that, hey, people still have, the lock on him. He need the attention. He need people to know him still there. Because having to be away so long, people are going to find a new rhythm. Them are going to find a new sound. Masicka did that do it. Josh did that do it. So many people did that go on with themselves. You understand? Lali, Ding Dong still did that do it. Idonia don't have theme seat already in a dancehall. Vybz Kartel come out of prison and realized that the young artists them are going with himself. Probably he felt like he needed to do something, caused an uproar, and so of course Masicka came out and really threw a lot of jabs. Probably there has been some shady things that has been happening that wasn't brought forward to the public's attention because people still ask what caused this musical war, right? Is it a collaborative effort where all the male dancehall artists came together to say, we need to start some drama to see if we can push Kartel back in the media? We don't know because a lot of these things are orchestrated at times. They're created. These drama, they were created. But at the end of the day, me feel like some feelings I bring. Kartel himself probably feel like people are trying to come for him space and him need for reclaim him crown for show them boy, say, hey, I him run dancehall. And knowing Kartel, it would have referred to a big man as a boy, to be honest, if we can be very fair about that. But in my opinion, though, as well as other people's opinion, Kartel is not a musical giant. You don't need to battle young artists, let them go on. Kartel don't have the crown, him don't have the seat. He's already a legend. He's known musically worldwide. I don't think there's anybody that could replace Vybz Kartel no matter if them try. Masicka you can't even argue. Masicka is a musical lyricist. He knows himself. He made a name for himself. And I think at this point, you have two male artists that can battle Vybz Kartel. One, Idonia and Masicka. My opinion. Some people that say Alkaline, let's not go there. But personally, Vybz Kartel need to focus on himself, focus on his health, and no bother with these battle. These are young artists. You're basically in your 40s or 50s. Leave them alone. If you want people to battle for you, yeah, make Tommy Lee and Sean Storm battle it out with Masicka. But not gonna lie, it all worked out for Sean Storm because, as I said, the itch nap shrift song the way Sean Storm make it really dominate TikTok right now. Unfortunately, TikTok. No, you don't expect say it fit up on the charts and thing, but only TikTok, which it's a good start for him because remember Sean Storm is not really a big tapper artist, But and listen, if you listen to Sean Storm old songs, they're really good. We just really would have want to see Sean Storm at tour and all these things. Put Sean Storm on. We need him for tour, we need him to get big. You understand? But as for Vybz Kartel, me no want to say the man time done, cause who gonna say that? Me not gonna say that, but really and truly, you're already the king of dancehall. Leave the little feud and problem and the beef to other people. Young people, make them battle it out. your time done for battle, cause you already had proven yourself to be who you are. So, I don't want nobody come drag me too, cause I think I have been saying things that really make sense as regards to this situation, but and then the song them didn't even sound good. The song them didn't even sound good. Back then, Sting and Clash, it was perfect. Back then, it didn't even sound good. I'm gonna tell you how I mash up Sting too. The whole situation with Amari and what's your name? Amari and the Queen. What's your name? Queen Lady Gangster. Whatever she want name. I that did mash up Sting. So them need to fix up dancehall, because dancehall is not what it used to be. It's not what it used to be. We're not even hearing nothing from Alkaline. We're not hearing a word from Alkaline. And you need to come out and show some effort. Come out to hibernation. Because people want your Alkaline. I'm an Alkaline fan, I must say. But Vybz Kartel, certain things have to put down now. Certain things must be put down. And that is the whole one bag of argument. Cause you're already the king. Why argue with upcoming? Just saying. But let me know what I think. Let me see the comment section. Like the video, share, and support the girl. And pick up on yourself, tenement your people. See you next time.